A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. F is for fig. G is for grape. H is for honeydew melon. I is for Indian fig. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. P is for pineapple. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. T is for tangerine. U is for ugly fruit. V is for vanilla. W is for watermelon. X is for Xigua. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Z is for Ziziphus.